G'day everyone, my name is Matthew from howtoplaythesax.com and I'm very excited today because I have got shiny new business cards. Look at that, very shiny, very fancy. These business cards are going to take my saxophone playing to another level, and I reckon that's a bit of a coincidence because I want to help you take your saxophone playing to another level. If you are a brand new beginner, especially if you're a brand new beginner and you're looking to learn how to play the sax, I can help you. So please either grab one of my fancy new business cards, they're very shiny, or visit me on my website, my blog, my members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Let's play our saxophones together. I can help you. We can have a laugh, have fun, play saxophone, be awesome, repeat. Howtoplaythesax.com. I'll see you there. Thanks.